This is how 200,000 biscuits roll off the line every single hour. Come with me inside America's most advanced biscuit factory. It all starts with fresh wheat flour delivered in bulk. Filtered, inspected, and fed into giant hoppers.
Sugar, butter, and flavors are measured to perfection.
These mixers blend hundreds of pounds of dough at a time.
Smooth, stretchy, and ready to shape.
Technicians monitor moisture, temperature, and consistency.
The finished dough travels through sealed pipes toward shaping.
Massive rollers flatten the dough into a perfect sheet.
This is where the signature texture is added.
The biscuits begin their journey through a 200-foot oven.
Here they turn crisp, golden, and delicious.
Perfectly baked every time. They cool gradually on a spiral tower. No breakage, no rush. Lasers check crispiness and temperature before packaging. Robots arrange biscuits into flawless stacks. In seconds, packaging seals in freshness. Every box is filled, folded, and labeled automatically. Finally, pallets are stacked and ready to ship across America. Nothing leaves the factory without passing inspection.
Even the crunch is scientifically measured.
And that's the journey, from flour to final bite.
That's how America's favorite biscuits are made. If you enjoyed this tour, hit like and drop a comment.
Subscribe for more cinematic factory videos every day.